Dave, what are you going to do today?
Well, Mick, today we're going to go inside, and I have a 2006 Acura that's had some hail damage done to it locally. So we're going to go in, take the headliner down, and start fixing the roof.
We have hail damage on the bonnet, but Dave tells me the bonnet will be replaced, and today he's going to fix the hail damage here on the roof. As we can see, the hail damage. Dave continues to remove the lining. Just turn the overhead lights off to show the dents a bit more effectively. How many little dents you think on this roof, Dave?
Well, I haven't counted it exactly, but certainly there's over 100 dents on this roof. We're looking at a dent every square inch, so that kind of gives you an idea of how much roof area there is and how many dents there are.
Wow. So Dave, you've removed the roof headliner.
That's right.
How many years have you been doing this?
Well, I've been doing this over 15 years, Mick. I started off in 1992 and just been working steadily ever since. Of course, over time, I've improved my skill and my ability to take vehicles apart, mostly through repetition. But yeah, so we've taken the headliner out. We've taken most of the interior trim off the side so that we can get it down. Now all we have left is the sunroof that's in the car. So we're going to bring it down so that we have access to the back of the roof. In order to do this process, we have to get to the back side of the metal. So I'm going to drop it down and we'll fix it in.
Dave is now starting to remove the hail damage on this vehicle. So as you can see, expertly Dave is removing the hail damage very precisely, each little dent. So Dave, the big dent's finished. How long would this roof take? I mean, with over 100 dents?
The repair on this roof would be roughly around 7 hours.
Okay.
And that would include this whole area here.
Okay, if someone's not happy with you pulling their car apart, what is the alternative?
Well, the alternative is to either grind and fill the dents on this panel or replace it. Most likely they would replace this panel, which means that they would do exactly everything I have done and more. They would take out the glass in the back, the windshield in the front, and they would cut this panel off the car, put a new one on, and paint it.
So there's some definite advantages. You have, Dave has your car for a day compared to what, maybe a week in the alternative method?
Roughly, yes. I mean, it does take a considerable amount of time to do all of those things. So yes, I would say at least 4 to 5 days to replace the roof. And
also, as a customer, you have the original car in one piece. There's no replaced body panels, correct?
No replaced body panels. It's the original paint, so it's still factory paint. It's the color that you picked from the showroom.
Awesome. Definite advantages there. And the other one, big factor today, is environmentally friendly. Explain some of the advantages there.
Well, of course, there's all kinds of chemicals and energy required to make the panel, put the panel on, and paint it. Where our process requires just a little bit of electricity. We have some special lights and ourselves. So really, we don't emit much for any kind of emissions.
Excellent. 3 or 4 definite advantages in Dave's method. So Dave continues to work on each dent. Any chance of the dents reappearing?
No. Working the metal properly will ensure that the dent is removed from the metal. When we're finished, this will be right back to its factory position.